What's good? It's your boy, been back at it again with another shoe review. You see the gray chair, you know what it is. What I do in this gray chair, I do shoe review videos. So, we're back at it again with a Presto. This is my first pair of Presto, and you see what it say on the back. What am I? I'm a Naija boy. Naija boy. I didn't grow up in the mean streets of Nigeria. I grew up in Houston, Texas. My parents are Nigerian, so I might as well have been. These were very special to me. I picked up the Air Max 95s, so it was only right that I picked these up. And I picked these up for under retail, so that made these even sweeter. So I love these, man. You got the Nigeria. This is made after the Nigeria soccer team. It has the prints here. Also got some prints on the pull tab back here. You got 20 in here. This on the, I guess you call this the tongue. It's all really one shoe or one thing. There's no tongue really, but it's all here. So these are size 11. Comfort, boy, comfort's on 10. I didn't know what I was missing out. Like I said, the only Prestos I have are the Presto Reacts, and these are definitely different. I'm wearing these today, for sure. That's why I was like, man, I need to do this review today, because I'm wearing these today. About to go with my boy to go tuxedo shopping or whatnot. I'm the best man in his wedding in January. Shout out to my boy C-Wash. Grew up together, man, from high school football team, track team, man. Knew each other in college, and he's the reason why I moved out here to Austin. So Nigeria's still going through it, and SARS, man, come on, the corruptness in Nigeria got to stop. I know I'm only a Nigeria guy in America, but hey, man, my heart's prayers are definitely go out to y'all. I still have family back there, I have uncles, my grandmothers are out there. So man, come on, man, let's make Nigeria a better place. That's where we all supposed to be, man. Man, y'all really showed me some love. I mean, like I said, it's just something I started out of a passion. You guys have stuck with me, and I appreciate that. I do not take that for granted. Last I checked, I was at 185 subscribers, and that means a lot to me, man. And we're just gonna keep on pushing. I'm gonna keep bringing you content. I still have a lot of shoes I haven't reviewed, even stuff from way back before I started YouTube, foam posits, all that stuff. I want to get to that, and I will. But just know that if you don't see me on here as often, especially with the shoe reviews, it's not that I don't want to do them. It's just that I got other important things to take care of, and just setting the family up. One thing for sure, two things certain, three things I know. I'm a beast. Let's go.